Hello YouTube kids, welcome to Fun Club. Today we'll be talking about Dinosaurs Puzzle 3. So please like, share and subscribe my channel to get more updated videos and don't forget to click on bell icon. Identify the first dinosaur. Ceratosaurus Dinosaur. Ceratosaurus Dinosaur. Identify this one. Argentinosaurus Dinosaur. Argentinosaurus Dinosaur. Identify the third dinosaur. Let's check it out. Archaeopteryx Dinosaur. Archaeopteryx Dinosaur. Let's check this out. Albertosaurus Dinosaur. Albertosaurus Dinosaur. Let's find this out. Spinosaurus Dinosaur. Spinosaurus Dinosaur. Can you find this out? Let's check the answer. Compsognathus Dinosaur. Compsognathus Dinosaur. Identify this one. Let's check it out. Deinonychus Dinosaur. Deinonychus Dinosaur. Let's find the last one dinosaur. Let's check it out. Pachycephalosaurus Dinosaur. Pachycephalosaurus Dinosaur. Thank you for your attention. I hope you must have learned Dinosaur Puzzle. Keep learning, keep sharing and keep maintaining healthy relationship. Take care. Bye-bye.